Over the past 10 years, I have been deeply involved in the laboratory equipment industry, specializing in the research, selection, and technical evaluation of systems such as stainless steel PTFE-lined high-pressure reactors, single-layer and double-layer glass reactors, temperature control solutions, circulating oil baths, cooling chillers, and various supporting laboratory instruments. With a decade of hands-on experience working with chemical laboratories, universities, pilot plants, and industrial R&D teams, I focus on selecting the right reactor for each process, matching heating and cooling systems to achieve precise temperature control, troubleshooting real-world operational issues, providing complete equipment integration solutions, and sharing practical insights from thousands of customer cases. If you are looking for reliable equipment recommendations, selection guidance, or full project support, I will assist you with professional, honest, and experience-driven insights.